In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to use Inspect Element in Google Chrome. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm going to show you two things. There are a lot of ways that we can use this one, but I'm just going to show you a few things that we can do here in Google Chrome. Say for example, we're here in the home page and we want to remove this one for some reason. I'm going to show you what you can do. So I'm going to right click here somewhere in the blank space and we're going to look for the inspect option. I'm going to click this one and there you go. Now, as you can see here, there are a lot of elements being found in here and it's actually hard to pinpoint which is which unless you know, because you are, say for example, a coder. Now, what you can do in order to make our life easier is just by clicking this one right here. Now, you're going to head over to the image. So this is the image. I'm going to click this one and it's going to bring me to where that element is. Now, there are a couple of things that we can do here, but I'm just going to try two things. Number one is going to be deleting the image. So I can do that by right click on here and then choose delete. So I'm going to click that one and as you can see, that is gone. Right now we're going to hit Control-Z in order to bring it back. You can also duplicate this one. So again, that's the element there. Click duplicate element and as you can see, you have there Google. Now let's just go ahead and back a little bit. You can right click and try to check other things that you can do here. I'm pretty sure there are some things here that is going to be very beneficial for you, but yeah, that's some of the things that you can do. Now you can actually do or change words or letters here as well. So say for example, this one, it says Filipino, right? We're going to change that one to Japanese, but it's just going to have the same function as what it should be, which is going to translate the entire page or language into Filipino. Now I'm going to go back to English and we're going to go ahead and click this one again because we're going to find the word again. So here it is. I'm going to click that one and here is the element. Now you should be able to see here the text. It says Filipino. Let's go ahead and double click that one in order for us to edit it, and let's go ahead and change this one to Japanese. I'm gonna hit enter, and as soon as I do that, you should be able to see that now we've chosen Japanese here, or we've changed this one to Japanese. I can go ahead and click on it, and instead of it being translated to Japanese, it's actually going to translate to Filipino, which is what the language was about. So yep, that is some of the things that you can do here. There are a lot more use cases for Inspect Element, but those are just some of the things. And congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to get this done.